Okay, so last night, just before we finished up, we put all of the caulking over all the screws. So you can see here, screws covered. The seam just has an extra layer put onto it. All the screws and washers have been covered with the caulking. So basically you put the caulking in, take your spatula and rub it in, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If you notice there's a bubble, pour it again. If you need a bit more, squeeze some more in. You'll get it down. Once you do it a few times, it's pretty easy. Now you don't need to do one and then swipe it, one and swipe it. You can do a section and then go along and swipe all of them at once. So just to speed up things. But literally that's all there is to it. Squeeze it on, swipe it across, and you got it. And of course for the corner again, same idea, put some in the corner, because when we squeeze the caulking onto the edging and we put it down and we level it out right away, that doesn't always get every single spot. So you need to go over afterwards and look and see if you can see any black. That's the biggest thing. If you can see black, that means that water could get in. So just add extra caulking and cover it up. So that's all there is to it for the caulking. And once you come back the next morning, it's a good idea to check over your walls again, because sometimes after doing it for a few hours you get to lose it a bit. So just take another look, and if you need to, you can add a bit more, cover it, because it'll be plenty dry enough by the time you go to tile.